when you curl the hair all in one direction, it gives you more glam waves.
Okay.
And then if you alternate your curls, it's going to give you more beachy waves because the hair's going to push each other. It's going to look more voluminous.
Oh,
so it's not really up to you. You have enough hair to do both. It's whatever you like.
Okay, so then let's just do the alternate one. So it's more like chill.
Yeah.
Beachy vibes.
Let's do it. Right at the nape of the neck, I like to do 3 sections. And whenever I'm using a wand, I like to take big sections. Like, it doesn't really matter. We can do it this way, and then the next curl is going to be the other way, and we leave the ends out just to give it more of a beachy vibe. Okay, so once this is curled, I like to pull the hair down, and you don't pull the entire hair. This is really cool. You only pull one side. So it does that. You literally just pull like one hair. So if we do this all the same, you see how this is gonna be all glam waves? I'm gonna do the opposite. And you just twist. Okay, so we just touch it. If it's not hot, then it's really disappointing when the curl comes out and you're like, oh my God, I need to recurl it. So just make sure it's hot, because I took a big section, so we're just gonna wait a little bit longer. And then again, just pull one side of the hair. And this is at 450 degrees. Yeah, but she's got a lot of protection in there, so I'm not worried. I'm just gonna push these a little bit forward so I can work on the next section. So the next section, we always take horizontal sections. And I love wanding because it's less damage. You're only getting heat on one side of the hair rather than 2 sides of the hair. And so that last section was 3 sections. Now we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. This one was under, so we're gonna go over this time. And I'm not pulling the hair down because that's gonna flatten the hair. I wanna do it vertically like this, just to keep volume in her hair, or at the root. See, I didn't let it sit long enough. It wasn't hot enough, so I gotta recurl it now. So I'm keeping the heat really low on this. I'm not keeping it super hot. It's fine on the back because she's gonna be sitting against the car seat and these are gonna fall faster, but around the hairline and the face, I always take a little bit more care. And I alternate the twists too, so I can do a flat wrap or a twist wrap.
I think I love the flat one.
The flat one?
It's usually how I curl my hair. It just looks so pretty.
It does look great, but again, heat damage is better if you twist it because you get less heat on every single hair.
That's actually true, yeah.
Nice little details. And I'm gonna run the curling iron through the top to tame down the frizz. Just give it a little bit more shine because I can't curl at the root. And then we could do a flat wrap because she likes flat wraps. And then this is the last piece, so I want to see how it's going to look against your cheekbone. And I'm just pulling it a little bit away from the face so that it's not ringlety. and then just shake it out, pull it, and let it cool.
Oh.
La la!
Love her.
No touching.
Sorry.
I'm gonna comb it out with a white tooth comb. So this is the comb that I like to use. I got it from Clore, but they don't have them anymore. But anything that has this type of size is my favorite. Nothing smaller. You can go a little bit wider, but I love this size. This is like my favorite size. So I'm gonna brush the hair out. So you wanna come over here, Gretchen. It's still a little bit hotter on the front, so I'm just gonna leave the front pieces out. So this is all cooled now, and then we're gonna go ahead and just brush the curls through. Looks so good. So you know all those Instagram pictures you guys see? This is how it's done.
Oh, so nice. And I like how it's so much like more natural. Like
Not too glam because
No.
it'll look like you're going to ball.
Yeah.
So this wand is off now, but it still has a little bit of heat, which is good. I don't want it to be too hot. I'm just gonna recurl this one here. And then it'll just loosen up. So I'm just checking for split ends because I kind of forgot. But you don't really have a whole lot. I think we got rid of most of them through the cut.
Oh, good.
But generally, if you just wanted your split ends to be cut off, I'll just go through it when it's straight and then just kind of dust them off. Just like that. Do we like?
I love her. Dude, you could do anything to my hair and I feel like it's amazing.
Oh my god, come back again.
No, obviously. Like whatever you say, I'm like, I trust you.
This is foil from R+Co. It's a Frizz and static spray. It feels like it doesn't do anything, but I swear it does. Like it just makes the hair sit. It's better than a texture spray. I don't like to put too much texture spray.
Oh, it smells nice.
You okay?
Yeah.
Can you
No,
breathe?
no, it smells good. I'm like, spray more.
Yeah, see how it just gives this like shine, but it's not shine spray. It's not like
Oh
do you
wow,
see
yeah,
that?
I do see it. Wow, it
Yeah.
almost makes it smooth.
Yeah, it just
Look.
smooths it down. So I'm gonna do a little bit here. R+Co's so lightweight.
Yeah.
And then just a little bit at the top.
It looks so healthy too.
So the back is nice and straight, so she still has all that density that we want because she wants to grow out her hair, but without it having being so wispy that at the end when it grows out she's gonna feel like she has no hair, because that's usually what happens if you don't have a clean cut. I always leave one side a little bit longer because I know that the layers are going to take away some of that length, and that's what we did. So now it looks even on both sides. Yeah, so the layers look good in the back and in the front. So whenever we do this kind of cut, the back is gonna stay straight, so it's not gonna be a super V or too round. So she still has tons of hair, and then flip it to the front, and you're gonna be able to wear this straight or curled. And I know you curl your hair.
They even
a lot.
part it like this.
And also, yes, that's another thing is that she can part it both ways, and it'll still look good. And she'll have all that volume.
Yeah, that's another thing I was gonna say. There's a lot of volume in it.